Okay, so today we are solving question 19 and 20. So let's see the questions. First question is expand the term URL and XML. So URL, we can write it. Okay. So wait. URL is universal resource locator, and XML is what it is, extendable markup language. Okay, so this is extendable markup language. Let me universal resource locator. XML is extensible markup language. Okay, next question that is given. One difference between HTTP and FTP. Okay, so I can tell. Okay, so one point, HTTP is designed primarily for transferring the web page, media and other content from a web server to a web browser. It is optimized for delivering the view content over the web, and FTP on the other hand is used for specially transferring files between a client and a server, allowing uploading and downloading managing files on a remote server. Okay, so I am going to provide the answer here, where I will provide with okay, so this is the answer. Here it is the answer. As I have provided, you can see it. HTTP is designed primarily on transferring web page, media and other content from a web browser to a web server. It is optimized for delivery and viewing the content over the web. FTP on the other hand is used specifically for transferring files between a client and a server, allowing for uploading, downloading and managing files on a remote server. Okay, so I am going to solve the second question also. Define the term IP address with respect of network. Okay, define the term IP address with respect to a network. Okay, so IP address is an internet protocol address. We know IP, internet protocol address. Okay, full form of IP we know is a unique identifier assigned to devices connected to a network that uses network protocol for communication. It allows devices such as computer, smartphone, server to communicate with each other over a network such as a internet or local network. Okay, I am going to provide the answer. Okay, so let me provide the answer here. You can see sorry, I have given this letter small so that I can fit the answer. Okay, next is, what is the main purpose of a router? Okay, so our main purpose of a router, so let me tell you about router. Okay, it is used to connect the multiple networks. Okay, so I am going to provide the correct answer. That is, the main purpose of a router is to connect multiple networks and route data between them. It acts as a director, ensuring that the data packets are sent to the correct destination, whether within a LAN or across different network. Yes, it is some kind of sorter, as we know that in post office things used to sort. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Here it is. Next question is that this one. Okay, so let's see the question. Observe the following code carefully and write down the errors and rewrite it after removing all the syntax error. Okay, so we can see. Okay, so let me tell. Number one, the problem is here only. See, this is the problem. Next, we can not do this one because it is fully wrong. Okay, next, colon is missing. In this line, colon is missing. Next, we can say no problem. Okay, next we cannot. Okay, so yes, that's all. So let me tell the correction. Okay, so function name cannot be start with a digit. Okay, so this is okay. Next is this one. Okay, this is the problem. Next one, colon missing. Okay, next we can tell that else. Okay, it will be lowercase. Okay, so what will be the upcoming code, guys? What do you think? Okay, so let me keep all the code. Okay, so let me open the Python here. Ideally, okay, so this is our ideally. Let's write the code here and let me give you define func1. Okay, return next is equals to int import enter a number. Okay, done. Next, if a greater than equal to 33. Okay, still though. Okay, so we have done something wrong. Okay, so we forgot to close it. Is equals to integer import enter a number. Still though we have a problem. So we are going to add this one here. Enter. Okay, if a greater than equal to 33, print okay, so let me open a new. or else it is becoming a problem. Okay, define function. Okay, a is equals to integer inside input, enter a number. Okay, next if a greater than equal to 33, then print promoted to next class. Okay, or else it is going to print repeat. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so let's save in documents. Okay, so let's add 30. Okay, 30, 50. It is not running, but the output will be that greater than 33 promoted to next card. Okay, okay, so that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe our video.